Today I'm going to show you a quick fix to a common problem with a 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch sanding drums for your Dremel. These sanding bands has a tendency to not want to fit onto the sanding drums even how hard you push it or even if it's the right size. This usually happens more on a smaller 1/4 inch sanding drum, but it can happen on both. But there's a quick solution for this which I'm going to show you now. First off, you want to remove the screw and the washer from the sanding drum and put them to the side. We are going to put them back on later. Then we want to get the sanding band and a sharp knife to scrape away some of the inside of the sanding band. This will make it slide onto the sanding drum much easier. And then you want to put the sanding band down on the table and then you put the sanding drum on top of it. Now just get a hammer and bang the sanding drum a couple of times until the sanding band is on. Now we can put on the washer and the screw and tighten it all up, and that's it. Now your sanding drum is on and everything works fine.